Ivan, a resident of Kiev, began his military career in the Russian army. He participated in the withdrawal of troops from Germany in the 1990s. Since then, he's pursued several military specializations. He's an artilleryman, a scout, an operator and mechanic of tracked vehicles. With the outbreak of the war in Donbass, he decided to apply his skills to protect his native home. He volunteered to enter the 44th Separate Artillery Brigade, assuming the position of commander of a Mitsa B howitzer. Ivan recalled their first battle, fought with only 3 guns. We aimed and shot. We shot at Fruns. We burned 3 tanks out of 5 in a battalion's ammo stockpile. We think we were very successful. We passed our baptism by fire. No one from the infantry will sit in place for a long time and wait for incoming shells. They'll not be able to bear this with time. They'll go away. This is psychologically and morally difficult. When shells are exploding around you that make truck-sized craters, you can understand. Therefore, we try to back up our infantry on the field at any cost. He was later stationed in hotspots around the villages of Shatsya and Horlivka. During the toughest periods, 1,000 shells per week were fired from each gun. The artillery covered the infantry in rain or snow. After all, lives of dozens of Ukrainian infantrymen depended on their actions. Providing support during assaults is their strong point. Since the beginning of the war in Ukraine, forces have changed their tactics. Now, artillery is not stationary, but makes dynamic maneuvers. The fire control technology has also changed. At the beginning of the war in Donbass, Zaporizhia-based serviceman and self-taught programmer Yaroslav Shastyuk came with a special software called ART-OS. All artillery calculations are done within only a short amount of time. The program is on a tablet and all the data is entered there. The weather, the range, the difference in altitude. Data is transferred to the gun, applied to the aiming circle, and then the gun shoots at the targets. The Ukrainian armed forces currently use a lot of equipment produced in the USSR, but Ukrainian engineers are gradually updating the systems. The state-owned defense consortium, Ukroboronprom, has recently announced the development of a self-propelled 155mm artillery vehicle using the Oplot tank chassis in compliance with NATO standards. After the Minsk agreements were signed, Ukrainian heavy artillery was pulled away from the front line, but the military continues sharpening its skills on the training grounds. Ivan is looking forward to returning to the front line, next time as a scout.